Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add TikTok link to Snapchat. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on TikTok app. Click on profile icon and tap on share profile. Click on copy link. Okay, then back. After that, tap on Snapchat and take a picture and just click on this sticker option. Okay, then back, click on text option and paste your link and done and send. Just tap on this option and to add TikTok link to Snapchat. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.